Daddy. Whoa! Thank you. What is that? Is that a truck? Okay, can you redo it for me? You can redo it. Try it again. Do you want to take them apart? Thank you.
My brother is the weird person who looked at you and
Thank you.
it was to the point where I was and the guy goes, the grossest.
Oh, you found me.
Yes.
How did you find me so quick?
Because I'm a great
Oh, did you find Chris too?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to count next.
Because that's the kind of stuff that sticks in the mind forever.
Yeah.
And I was like,
Franklin Township really likes to find things. And any excuse to use a dog, they like to use the
yeah,
dog.
he was, that's what he said. He was, we could have sent the dogs out in the
Here
woods
I
to find him.
come.
He said he ran out in the woods.
I'm going to find you, Jackson. I know you're hiding somewhere. Where could you be? No, I don't know where you are.
Like we have
Jackson,
so many canines
I can hear you.
that Clayton
There you are.
That's my picture.
Ah, how did you... Jackson.
Did you guys find him?
Oh, I didn't find him either. You both win.
Yay!
You both win. Okay, who's going to count now? You? Okay.
One.
No, you got to count. You got to count in the other room.
That's why I was like, can you put that on the high chair,
for
baby?
how much money we spent
Andrew,
on dogs
put the
and having
baby
them
shark
trained.
drink on the high chair, please.
Oh, thank you. All right, you going to count now?
Mom.
Don't turn around and cheat.
2, 3, 4. I got you!
Oh, you found us. You found us.
I found you.
Ah, you win again.
I'm going
All right, whose turn is it now to count?
Me.
All right. No, didn't you just count?
Oh, yeah.
My turn to count. All right.
I need to hide them.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
But I was now in the
Here I come.
Definitely not.
I bought a bunch and you can't find it.
Yeah, there's something.
Here I come.
I bought a whole box of 10, and now I can't find it. So I'm like, it's not gonna hurt anything. It's just.
Where could you be?
No, if you need one, we have it. Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Where could you be?
Bloop, bloop, bloop.
All right. I can't find you so far. Ah, I hear somebody laughing. I hear somebody laughing. Where are you? Oh no! I didn't see. Oh, two. You're both there. I didn't see you. You both win again. You both win.
Yes!
All right. Whose turn is it to count now?
Me!
All right. Do you want to count? Do you know how to count?
Me!
All right. He's going to count. He's going to count.
Up the street.
Me!
And at that exact point, I don't think there were cops or anything down there yet. There were no cops down there, but they're not-
I found you!
Ah, you found us.
Yes! I'm the greatest founder. Yeah. Found you.
Okay. Whose
Your
turn?
turn to count.
My turn to count? All right.
Let me stay abreast of it. How possibly can you lie to detectives in question?
Marvin, you were the witness to the shooting. If you're given access to the questioning of a potential suspect, it contains every statement you make from this point forward, including your testimony at trial. You understand that?
Here you go, Jackson.
I want you to stand down, Marvin.
Why don't you sit on the other side so Grant Skip can sit there? Can you sit on the other side?
Confiscated when they pulled you over.
I'm sure you're not gonna have a problem with us going into your phone, running down the number of whoever called you and set it up. I don't care, man. Run it down.
You're going to. No doubt it's the burn phone.
Wow, you ate a lot of pasta. Oh. Can he finish it? Well, I'll see. That's an awful lot. I don't know if he's strong enough to finish it. Is he strong enough to finish it all? Wow. He's eating quickly now. Whoa. One piece at a time. Whoa. Whoa. He looks serious. He's not smiling. Wow, 3 pieces left. Oh no, 2 pieces left.
The one.
1 piece left. Can he do it? I don't think he can do it. I don't think he can do it. I think it's too much. He can't do it. He did it. He wins. Yeah. Let me feel. Let me feel. Whoa. Pretty big. Pretty big.
Those same superheroes.